Good morning. So I've been seeing some really great lessons as I started some observations and just classroom walkthroughs. And one of the things that I talked to a specific teacher about was how we can digitize the process in terms of getting kids to label different parts of a diagram. So it could be more interactive and can be shared out. Of course, traditional labeling and using packets is great, a great practice. But if there was a way to digitize it so that we could share it, collaborate, that was something that we talked about in our post observation. So I figured it'd be a great tech tip. I went right to Nearpod. This is the homepage here. It's got a different look now. So I'm still getting used to this new appearance, but I'm going to click at the top left here and I'm going to create a new lesson. I'm going to create a lesson from scratch. And I'm really just going to focus on that one feature, the drawing something, which in this case, it's going to be a blank slide in activities. And I want to look for, keep going down, down, down. Again, very new feel to this. Draw something. Maybe I'll search for it, see what happens. There it is. Draw it. Click. And I'm going to add selected. Now, this is a blank slate. Always get in the practice of giving it a title so you don't have a bunch of untitled stuff in your library. You can give it a prompt here. So I'm going to do something with tectonic plates because that is what we were talking about. So let's say label the parts of the tectonic plate shift. Explain what might be happening when the plates shift. And I am no science expert, so I'm just going to do my best here. I can add a timer if I want to make it a timed activity, which I love. I can add some supplemental information if I want to give an image for the students to refer to or a little video for them to watch. And then they can draw on this blank slate, but even more so is you can add a background there. So you can put something for them to draw over. So add background, and I can do a Google search. Okay, again, I'm just going to pick this one here. And now this is what the students will actually be drawing over. So it's actually really cool. They'll then have their marker features and highlighter features and text features where they can label different things. And once they're ready, they hit submit. All of them will pop up on your screen and you can review the diagram. If there's one that stands out, you can share it to everyone's computer. So when you just hit share to all, that'll pop up on their screens and you can talk about specific responses. And it's just a really cool, powerful, next level way of getting the students to label and discuss and come together. So something to consider. One of my favorite parts of Nearpod is the draw it feature. If you need any help getting up and running, you know who to reach out to. Thanks.